Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll learn how to set up an emulator. For that, you have to open the Android Studio and then go to AVD Manager. Over there, you just create virtual device and then choose whichever device you'd like to run your projects on. For the time being, I'm choosing Nexus 6P. And after that, just click Next. After that, you can download any of these for your app, but right now I'm choosing Oreo because it's already downloaded on my system. After that, the graphics should be automatic and rest of them leave it as default and then finish. So you can see it's creating our Android virtual device right now, and this may take few minutes, so please be patient over here. And it's created. So now we need to run this app. For that, we will choose our devices over here. It will show all our devices, and right now we will choose Nexus 6P and then run. So you can see the build is running, and to run the app for the first time it does take some few minutes. So wait over here and you can see we got our emulator. And it's loading right now because we have done this for the first time. So wait over here as it happens, and then we can see that it's running our app. So we have our app up and running and it says hello world. So this is how you set up an emulator. Now we will learn how to write your first ever Flutter project. For that, I hope you have configured your Visual Studio. Just open that and then open the command prompt. So first of all, we will be running our commands on the command prompt, and then just go to the location where you want to store your Flutter projects. For the time being, I'm using desktop. And in desktop, write Flutter create sample. Sample is the name of our project. You should be connected to the internet for this step. After this, just wait for some time and it will create the project. You can see the sample is created over here and it's all done. After that, just open up your Visual Code, go to File, open Folder and select Sample. After opening your project, you'll have a lot of files over here. You can see all these files were created for us. You don't have to really think about these. Just go to lib and open main.dart. This is where the main coding is done, and this is what we will be editing to. This is a sample code given by the Flutter, and we will run this and see how it looks. Now to run Flutter projects, we have to go to our command prompt. We can even use the terminal on our Visual Studio Code, but I prefer using the command prompt. But this is equally powerful and it is the same thing. But I'll be using it from the command prompt. So you have to be inside the project to run it. So we will first go inside sample and then type Flutter run. Now when you run your project for the first time, it takes some time. So we have our emulator up here and this may take few minutes, and we have our app running. This is how our app looks, and if you click on that button, you have pushed the button this many times changes. Now I'll show you how to do it on your Android phone. So first of all, go to your settings and then go to your about phone, the system over here, and then about phone. And then on the build number, just tap 7 times. And you are now a developer. You have to give your PIN number over there and then it will be done. And after that, you have to choose USB debugging and then turn it on. And after that, your Android device is also ready, and you can run the same command, flutter run, and then it will be executed on your phone. So you can try that too. But for normally we use emulator to see our results, as it's a lot easier to do. So this is how we can create and run our Flutter apps. I hope you liked the video, and the next video we will be creating something really fun. So please stay updated for that, and please do subscribe to get our latest